At the end of each semester, there are a few tasks that should always be completed to allow you to take some time off from schoolwork and do what you want to do instead of feeling frustrated and bogged down in something that could have and should have been completed every single day. To truly move into vacay mode means that you are confident that you've completed everything that was asked of you with no doubts or worries about having missed something. But how can you be sure? You're fairly sure you completed all your assignments, and you can do that by just looking at your grade report. You know you just finished the final, but did you submit it correctly? There's something else. What was it? Oh, how about the email you opened and forgot to respond back to? If you go through your emails every day, this shouldn't even be an issue. Just in case you haven't responded to a couple of emails or dealt with a couple hundred, you'll find out that going through this simple process can be a great way to feel so much more relaxed, knowing that you've actually officially closed out your semester with a feeling of confidence that you are truly finished and ready for me time. I happen to know and totally understand that a common thought about emails is that they're usually just spam, scam, and scum, which can be very true. Now, I'm going to show you how to safely deal with those in another video that's linked at the end of this video. But before we go there, make sure to share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and smash that notification bell to be reminded of when a new video is posted. Yeah, through an email. Every day, even a filtered email box gets packed with dozens of promotions, news releases, announcements, updates, reminders, bills, statements, and a whole lot more of, well, you name it, and it'll be there. I know mine does. And if I don't stay on top of it, what comes in is going to bury me real quick, and I'll end up spending more time than I care to deal with them. Some days, I can have 20 to 30 emails an hour to go through just to find the important ones that are legit and need my attention. So don't let your emails get out of control and become an annoying part of your life that can increase your stress and negatively affect your motivation. If you have a smartphone, laptop, PC, Mac, tablet, or any device that connects to the internet to check your email, make it a no-brainer and stay up to date on dealing with them at least twice a day. 3 times is really good, and 10 times is really good. Well, that's quite a bit, but maybe. Don't let emails build up and risk the chance of missing the 1 or 2 that contains vital information on how to complete an assignment or inform you about something that legitimately needs your immediate attention that can make a difference in your grades and overall success in beating deadlines. As a teacher, I send out emails to my entire class asking for a response from everyone if they understand an assignment. All I ask for is a simple yes, a thumbs up, an emoji, or just send me back any questions to help clarify the instructions. If I hear back from 3 or 4 students, it feels like the message was actually fairly successful and understood. But when I ask if everyone read my email during the next class session, I always get the response, I saw it, but didn't open it. Or, I haven't checked my emails for a few days. The one response that never shocks me, and I always expect to get, is when I get asked, so what was in the email? Really? If you're a procrastinator about opening, responding, and dealing with your emails and don't want to be, check out this link sooner than later. If you're checking your emails, answering the important ones as you open them, and deleting the garbage at least twice a day, you'll be so much more efficient and less stressed instead of having to go through pages of spam, scam, and scum to find that one that you remembered was somewhere in there. To make sure you don't overlook or forget about an email you opened on your phone while you're busy, make sure to start or just reset it to unopened when you can't or don't respond back right away. Emails are not difficult to take care of and should not be looked at as old school or a waste of time because you don't get an answer back in seconds. Emails are not texts, so stop treating them like they are. Sometimes your question may take more than a few words or sentences to answer by someone who takes the time to think about the most concise and clear way to respond to increase clarity and avoid extra confusion, thereby causing more email mess. Be patient on the response time and always keep in mind that just because it's your emergency does not make it someone else's. Also, make sure to use your school's email account when sending an email to your instructors to not accidentally get kicked into their spam. Emails sent using your school's username are also a permanent record that can be used in your favor when showing proof of sending an assignment or to preserve a line of conversation to help resolve any questionable issues of exactly what was sent. When it comes to emails, think about this. They're going to become one of the most important ways of communicating between you and your future employer for sending your resume and receiving letters of invitation to interview, or better yet, to inform you of your new position, as long as you respond back within 24 hours to their acceptance email. In the next video, you'll find out how to reduce the volume of your emails, as well as ways to deal with the spam, scam, and scum that clogs up your inbox and possibly do real damage to your devices if you open them. Remember that my goal is that your success is the goal. I'll see you online soon.